Over the last couple of videos, I've always had this comment on my channel as to what my room looks like and can you give us a room tour, etc. etc. And personally, even I enjoy watching such room tour videos on YouTube. So it got me thinking, why not? So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into the video. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Arif and I'm a student at ESSEC Business School enrolled in the Grand École Master in Management program. So as soon as you enter the room, the very first thing you notice is basically the kitchen area. It has the hot plates basically and the sink. You have your fridge, decent size, I guess. Then you have a normal shelf where you can keep all your groceries and stuff. You have a microwave. And then beneath the sink and the hot plate area, you have your cupboard to store your groceries, the masalas and your utensils you bring back from home. Yeah, so basic stuff. And then moving on to the left or the right, depending on the orientation of the room, you have your washroom area, which is quite basic but does the job. And this is the first time I'm shooting a video on my phone instead of my main camera, so I hope it turns out good. So as soon as you enter the main room, the very first thing you notice is the big desk. And it was the most important area of the room that I wanted to customize according to my own needs. And even before coming here, I had this idea in mind that I'll get a monitor and will use my laptop basically in the camshell mode. Although initially I had a different monitor, but I settled for this one, and then I upgraded also in the middle. This one was on sale during the Prime Day, so I ordered this one. And since I was planning to get the monitor back in India, I got this Dell keyboard, which I've been using for almost 2 years now. And along with this keyboard, I have this beast Logitech MX Master 3 mouse, which is one of the most important weapon in my productivity arsenal. I needed something that I can rest my hands on while editing and it doesn't give me pain in the hand. And now all of this is connected to my main driver, the 2019 MacBook Pro 16-inch. I will put up the specifications up on the screen. And before this, I was using the 2012 MacBook Pro, which served me well for about 6-7 years. And I'm not using any speakers here, as the 16-inch itself is so freaking loud, even with the lid is closed. Now coming to the other side, we have the bed. Underneath, we have a little storage big enough to keep your groceries, your miscellaneous items. I have friends who have even kept their music instruments here, and right now I'm using it to keep the groceries, like I mentioned. So yeah, that's some of the stuff. And at the center, you have this window. Along with the heater, you have a small stool that you can keep anywhere you want. I keep it by my bedside. I have some books. I have my Kindle over. So yeah, let's show you the view from the room. It's quite dead right now, but when I came, it was not this bad. I'll put up some photos I took in the initial weeks I was here. And now coming to the other side of the room, we have this wooden shelf with around 6 compartments. I've used it to store things that first of all look nice, obviously, and things that I use more often than others. The sliding doors that you see over there are basically your cupboard to store your books, your clothes, everything. So we have this compartment over here. And then the other side, it's a total mess right now, but okay. Yeah. And yeah, then coming to the other side, you have this small table by the corner which just has random things right now. Plates, mugs, blender, kitchen rolls and stuff. And yeah, that's about it in the room. And I've tried to make it personal as much as I can. I have some Harry Potter posters over there, the lightning bolt and the Deathly Hallows sign over there to make it more personal. But yeah, that's about it. And yeah, just one more thing before I forget. I have also put up lights, LED lights underneath the table, and obviously that glows, and then this one also glows. So I'll just show you guys in a bit. And yeah, that's how it looks at night. I've just closed the windows right now to show you guys how it looks. And I've put the LED strips down underneath the table. This one has a blue tint to it, and then this one right here is the lighting bolt, and I have some lights here for the cupboard as well. So yeah, this was my room here at the CLH residence. The rent is about 595 euros, but then you get a subsidy from the French government, which is called the CAF. So you get around 200 euros back. So the rent is around 400 euros a month, which I think is pretty decent for this place, considering it's a school residence, so you get the full experience. I have a few videos in the making, and I'll try to stick to my schedule of trying to make one video every week. Yeah, I really enjoyed making this one, and if you guys liked it, do make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.